Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Today I will show you how to make breadcrumbs halwa at home. Start by gathering ingredients and measuring precisely before cooking. Use 3 cups of dry breadcrumbs for the base and 1 cup of milk for soaking. Keep 100 grams of ghee ready for frying and richness. Measure 1/2 cup sugar for sweetness and 8 cashews for texture and garnish. Add 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder and a pinch of salt for proper balance. Begin by soaking the crumbs in 1 cup of milk for 10 minutes. Heat a heavy pan and melt 100 grams of ghee on medium flame. Add the soaked crumbs and fry for 8 to 10 minutes until golden brown and aromatic. Stir continuously to prevent sticking and ensure even color. Reduce the flame and add 1/2 cup sugar, stirring until it dissolves and the mixture thickens slightly. Finish by adding the cardamom powder and broken cashews. Mixing once the halwa reaches a soft, moist consistency, remove it from heat. Transfer to a serving dish and garnish with 8 roasted cashews and a few saffron strands if desired. Serve warm for the best texture and aroma that highlight the ghee and cardamom. To store, cool the halwa completely at room temperature for no more than 2 hours. Then place it in an airtight container and refrigerate for up to 5 days. Reheat gently on low heat with 1 teaspoon ghee to revive the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.